As a preceptor to a nursing student, which of the following you must intervene your nursing student when she or he is preparing to give an instruction to the parents of this 7-month-old female baby? The MD ordered oral amoxicillin 25 mg per kilo per day twice daily for 5 days to a 7-month-old who weighs 16.5 pounds. The medication you receive from a pharmacy department is 125 mg per 5 ml. Choice number 1. Give the infant the medication right before feeding. Choice number 2. Schedule to give 7.5 ml at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Choice number 3. Give your child this medication twice a day for 5 days even she seems better. Choice number 4. Stroke your child's cheek gently before administer the medication. The correct answer of this question is number 2. Number 2 is the correct answer because the doses that would be given were wrong. That's why you have to pick this answer.